It was made in 2016 and they have given a wonderful report across the spectrum to solve the problem of water in India. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले ये रिपोर्ट अपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में कहती है that India is facing a water crisis. How? हमें पता है कि रिवर्स में पोल्यूशन है, हमें पता है कि ग्राउंड वाटर में पोल्यूशन है, right? These are the things we know about. But it also says that if we continue to utilize the water we are using at the current rate, then by 2030, 50% of the demand of water in India will be unmet. Okay. Then they also talk about the fact that there is a conflict between various states. There is a sewage disposal problem. There is an industrial pollution problem. The second chapter of this report says that 20th century solutions are no longer viable. They were like, let us create dams and reservoirs. So the approach was on construction. But this report said that these 20th century solutions did not work. Why? Firstly, they created a problem of gap of IPC and IPU because there was no last mile connectivity. Because there was no last mile connectivity, what did the farmer respond with? हमने डैम्स तो बनाए 120 हेक्टेयर को इरिगेट करने के लिए, बट एक्चुअली कितना इरिगेट हो पाया? सिर्फ 90 हेक्टेयर. तो जो 30 हेक्टेयर बचा, the farmer thought that I will use groundwater. So they started making tube wells. इसके लिए we gave power subsidy. When we gave power subsidy, it led to a further problem that there was cross subsidization in the power sector. But when tube wells started being used, groundwater started to be depleted at a very high rate. Because of this groundwater depletion, there was also a challenge of drinking water in the cities, because even the cities were utilizing the same groundwater for drinking. So today, the status is somewhat like that 80% of our demand of drinking water and 67% of our demand of irrigation is coming from groundwater alone. The original problem was last mile connectivity. The solution to this problem was tube wells, but this solution itself has now become a problem in our water management.